manufacture.
Good morning and welcome to North Penn Mansfield's morning announcements. I'm Claire.
I'm Elena.
And I'm Braden.
Today's segment will focus on manufacturing.
And we're going to be answering the question, what is so cool about manufacturing?
To help answer that question, we recently visited a company called eTech.
So we're helping manufacturers assemble airplanes, automobiles, space rockets, anywhere where there's an application, a limited clearance that you can't reach to do the normal fastening operations.
At eTech, we're not making things that the general public makes on a day-to-day basis, but we're making things that are used to make other things.
There's probably not too many vehicles on the streets in America that we don't have a contribution in.
And it's just also really interesting to be able to say, how is this thing made, and then be part of that process to actually make it. And then especially like talking about gears, gears are complicated things, and so really clever people have come up with ways to actually make them effectively.
The concept behind it is we have a part and we have a print, and then we make something, and then we need to make sure that what we make is what it should be.
To me, the coolest thing about manufacturing is everything you touch, everything you do. I mean, this chair, your phone, the camera, everything's affected by manufacturing in one way or another.
Solves the problems in the world and provides solutions for all different kinds of industries.
Welcome back. Now that we have explored eTech, we hope everyone can answer our question, what's
so cool about manufacturing?